Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to transfer money from our Rajhi bank application. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. In order to transfer money in our Rajhi bank application, first step that you need to do is open app and log in. So simply head over and open up the our Rajhi bank application and log in with the username and password. Then once logged in, simply tap on the transfers option on the bottom of your screen, and then once you're inside the transfers, choose account transfer. Then once you're inside the account transfer, what you need to do is select beneficiary, choose an existing beneficiary, and if not added yet, you must add beneficiary first. Then once you select your beneficiary, the next step is to enter the transfer details. Simply enter the amount, choose from account, and add remarks, which is optional. Then once that's done, simply tap on next. Then once you do that, you need to confirm with OTP. Simply enter the OTP sent to your mobile and then simply tap on confirm, and then money is transferred successfully. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply in order to transfer money from our Rajhi bank. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, and see you soon on the next one.